Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys some new poses that they have on Dress to Impress. You do have to purchase them using the money coins. I don't know what it's called. The currency, I guess. So here are just some of the items. I'm just going to select this pose pack and select this one to buy. So there are new ones, which are the Halloween Post Pack, Troll Post Pack, Fairy Post Pack, Hand Post Pack, and Dance Post Pack. So there are 3 poses in this one. I'm just going to purchase the Halloween one first, confirm. Hopefully I have enough for all of them, but let's see. Oh, I actually don't think I do. Let's just purchase this one because I think that's super cute. And let's leave the Dance Pose Pack later and purchase this one, because I feel like I can purchase that later. So there's Possession. Wow, this is so cool. Puppet. Oh, Zombie. Vampire. Tall. Talk to the Hand. That's insane. Headless. No, don't. Oh my god. What? Doll. I'm still just gonna try it. Let me just put it to day mode. There's this Fairy Post Pack. Let me put on, oh my god, some outfit first, okay. There's the Hand Post Pack. Oh my gosh, these are so adorable. Like, I actually love these. Shy, Peace, cute. There's this one. Oh, alright. Oh, this is the faint one that I saw someone just use. Belly Flop. Hold Up, Mannequin. And those are just some of the pose packs. I have not purchased the last one because I don't have enough money. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.